Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas and I have my colors right here. I have navy that I made using violet, phthalo blue, and black. And then I have phthalo turquoise, and that is from the Fine Touch. I have quinacridone magenta, and that is from Liquitex. I don't have a lot in there in my bottle, but it should be enough. And then I have white, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I'm going to be doing another pour where I inject the white underneath the color. I'm not really sure what it's called, injection or infusion, but that's what I'm going to be doing. But before I get started, I just wanted to give you guys a little tip. When I unwrapped this canvas, it was kind of a little saggy. So what I usually do is this is just a portable clothes steamer, and I just put it on the max, turn it on, and then just go all along the back, and you'll actually be able to see, because it gets a little loose, especially in the corners, you'll actually be able to see when it tightens, and you'll be able to feel it, so it's nice and tight. Alright, so I'm going to get started. And I'm just going to use the cup that the turquoise is already in so I don't waste another cup. And I'm going to just pour, and there is no silicone in any of these colors. All of them are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium and a little bit of water. Not a lot, just a touch. Okay, and then just gonna give it a couple zhuzhes so I can get that turquoise up a little bit. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a dirty pour, and here we go. Alright guys, we're gonna go in for the close-up. This is so pretty. I am just loving this one for sure. The colors are just so pretty, and I love this technique. I think it's gonna be my new favorite technique. I'm definitely going to have to buy more white paint. It's probably the paint that I buy the most of already. But I just love how this looks. I was always a big fan of lacing, and that's what this reminds me of. It's, you know, the stretched cells almost, but it's more like lacing. I love it. This is my favorite part. Alright, I hope you guys like this as much as I do. This is really, really pretty. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, my Etsy store link is there, and have a great day.